My name is Daniela. I'm from Brazil and I came to China in 2014 to study Chinese. I was planning to stay only 1 year and here I am. I became an actress. I had this chance here and when I started doing that, I didn't want to stop. I have a lot of projects. Working for Wandering Earth was one dream that I was not expecting this year. And it was very, very nice to be on this movie because I learned a lot. Learning a language is not only learning how to say hi, but also learning about the culture. And Chinese culture is so vast and there are so many things to learn. And I still, I learned a lot of things. I studied a little bit about Chinese history, but still there are a lot of things to learn. And I feel fascinated about all this content, arts, the music, Beijing opera, all these things are awesome. On my free time also I like to do sport. I have my YouTube channel, which is also my hobby, and I show people a little bit of my daily life. I talk to friends, we try some Chinese food, or we go to a tourist place. I feel like I still have a lot to explore. I want to try different characters, and that will be my dream come true.